Quality assurance is one of the most important aspects of the pharmaceutical industry. It provides critical services that are required in every sector of our industry, from clinical trial conduct to manufacturing. With this in mind, it is no wonder that these processes can be time-consuming and rigorous. A backlog of deviations, non-conformances, and change controls can put a strain on a company's resources and time. This is where Red Nucleus can help. With our holistic end-to-end process experience across all pharma functions, Red Nucleus is able to support all the quality assurance needs our clients may have. Our services include SOP creation and revisions, CAPA management and root cause analysis, risk-based vendor management, as well as internal and external audits. These are just a few of the QA solutions we offer. And with Red Nucleus quality assurance consultants on your team, any upcoming inspections or audits can be made less stressful. We can also help our clients build out their own quality assurance systems. Red Nucleus is a global consulting firm with a skilled team of quality assurance experts that have in-depth industry knowledge. And with Red Nucleus as a partner in the QA space, companies will be more confident and comfortable with the choices they make throughout their product's lifecycle, from research and development through commercialization. Reach out to Red Nucleus to begin your QA journey today.